Hi, I'm Molly with West Virginia University Extension Family Nutrition Program, and today we're going to make peanut butter Cheerio bars. This recipe couldn't be easier. It is a no-cook recipe and only has 3 ingredients. So for our recipe, we have Cheerios cereal, 4 cups, a half a cup of honey, and a half a cup of peanut butter. So I have already washed my hands and my cooking surface, so I'm ready to put this delicious treat together. First thing I'm going to do is do the honey and the peanut butter, measure that into a microwave safe dish or glass measuring cup, and then we're going to microwave it just about 30 seconds to make it easy to mix in with our Cheerios. So before I do that, I'm just going to give my measuring cup a really light spray with vegetable oil spray. It's going to make the peanut butter and honey not stick. And then I'm going to scoop out my peanut butter. See how nice that came out? Now I'm gonna spray it just one more time. Add my honey, half a cup. I'm actually gonna take the lid off since it's such a large amount. This would be a fun recipe to play around with different types of cereal. Cheerios are great because they're a whole grain. Once I've got my honey and my peanut butter in my measuring cup, I'm gonna go microwave this for about 30 seconds. It'll liquefy and make it a lot easier to mix with our Cheerios. Once your peanut butter and honey mixture is nice and liquid, we're gonna measure our Cheerios. So you need 4 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna add in our peanut butter and honey mixture. And mix it all up, making sure to coat all of the Cheerio pieces. Once your Cheerios are all coated with our honey and peanut butter mixture, you could either put this just on a cookie sheet, or I have just a 9x9 pan that I lined with a piece of parchment paper. That'll make it real easy to lift up and cut. Press it down so that when you do cut it, the bars will stay together. And we're just gonna pop this in the refrigerator and it'll set up real nice, kind of like Rice Krispie treats. And we're all ready to go. Our peanut butter Cheerio bars have been in the refrigerator, so they've set up nicely. And we're just gonna cut them into bars. I've cut this into about 9 good-sized rectangles, and I'm just gonna lift it out of our pan and stick them on our plate. Aren't those fun? You could even add some stir-in, mix-in things, dried fruit, nuts. And this is a great no-cook snack that the little ones could definitely be a big part of, and then a great snack to eat any day of the week. Thanks for joining us. I hope you come back again real soon and give this and all of our other recipes a try. Thank you so much.